Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing some Vivaia shoes. They sent me 2 pairs of shoes from their new winter and fall collection to review for you guys, and I am just so excited about this brand and showing you these shoes because they are really nice. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I post DIY videos, Bath & Body Works related videos, and some organization videos as well. For the review that I'm doing today, I will have a coupon code for you. All of that information and the link and everything will be in the description box below. So if you are not familiar with Vivaia and their company, they are a sustainable company, which I absolutely love. If you know me, that is one of my big things, that I try to be as eco-friendly as possible. And they make all of their shoes out of recycled plastic bottles. So that is really, really cool. When you open up one of their boxes, it will show you on the side how many bottles they use to make these shoes and are recycled. So that's really amazing. Their shipping is carbon neutral, I'm pretty sure. And so I just really appreciate that from a brand. And all of the packaging inside is paper. So everything in their packaging is recyclable. Okay, so the first pair of boots is the Ryan boot. And these are water repellent, and I got the color navy. Now, looking at these shoes, on camera, they actually do look pretty navy. In person, they are a really dark navy. So they are blue, it's just a super dark blue. This is pretty good lighting, but when I first opened up the box in the dark lighting, they looked almost black. So now that I have good lighting, you can tell that they are navy, and they are super easy to put on, which I appreciate. There's no like zipper or anything. There's just like this stretch on the side. So this is what they look like up close. It is like a rounded square toe. And then there's like this little thing on the back that, you could use to put it on, which is helpful. And it's got like just the tiniest bit of heel. So they come, stuffed, so they keep their shape, and the packaging is really, really nice. I'm a size 9, so in European sizes, that is a 39, according to the size on my shoe. So these are the Ryan pair. I absolutely love these, and they're just really practical. I can pair these with a lot of different outfits. So I feel like with these boots, you could really dress them up or dress them down. They would go well with a variety of outfits. I could see myself wearing these with a pair of tights and a dress, or just casually with a pair of jeans and like a hoodie. These would also be really good to wear during like the rainy season, since they're water repellent. This would be really cute with like a rain jacket sort of outfit for the spring or something like that, because they will keep your feet dry. So like I said, these are super easy to put on. You just slide them right on, and they've got quite a bit of stretch to them. So they were super comfy, and wearing them walking around for a while, the soles of the shoe are pretty plushy as well. So these were very comfortable, and I definitely recommend them. And then the next pair of shoes are some black boots. I don't know what the name of them are, but I will link them down below. I am super excited for these because they are just so cute. They are tall. They have these laces on the back, which are so cute, and it ties in a bow at the top, and these are just so adorable. I'm so excited about these. I got these in black, obviously, so I could definitely wear them with a bunch of different outfits. And these also don't have any zippers or anything. So I will say, I tried these on already, and I will show you in a minute, but they are pretty difficult to get on. They're like kind of stretchy, like they have a good amount of stretch to them, as you can see, but once it gets down to the foot part, like down here, it doesn't have that much stretch. And as a size 9, I was kind of struggling to get my foot in there. It kind of took me a couple minutes to really get one shoe on. So that was the only downside that I noticed so far, but that was pretty much it, that it was a struggle to put them on. The quality, however, is impeccable. They are made very, very well. They are made to last. These also have a little bit of a heel. This is like a mesh material, so the whole thing is like stretchy, and it'll just like shape to your leg. So pretty excited about these. These are so cute on. I love the laces in the back. In this outfit, I wore them with like some skinny jeggings, and they're kind of bunched up around the ankle because of my pants inside. So I will say these would probably be best with like a pair of tights or just socks, because you can kind of see like the ruffling of my pants inside. I paired these with just like a sweater, something casual, and I feel like they kind of dress up and give something extra to like casual outfit, but you could certainly wear these with a fancier outfit. I think they would be so adorable with a dress, especially with Christmas coming up. I don't know why, but the bows just make it feel more holiday and Christmassy. So these are really, really cute. I would definitely recommend these ones as well. So that is my review of the new Vivaia shoes. Like I said before, all of the links to the shoes that I got and their website and my coupon code is going to be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.